Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into App Store. Connect with the Apple ID that owns the developer account. Enable two-factor authentication and confirm team roles so you can upload builds. Next, create the app record. Enter the app name, select the exact bundle ID from your Xcode provisioning. Set SKU and primary language. Once done, upload required assets. A 1024 by 1024 icon, device screenshots, and complete the app privacy questionnaire so your record is review-ready. You archive and upload your build from Xcode or use Transporter. Make sure the build matches the bundle ID, provisioning profile, and app entitlements. Once the build appears in App Store Connect, attach it to a new version and complete version info. What's new, keywords, and support URL. Then choose Release Type, set pricing and availability regions. For testing, enable test flight, invite internal and external testers, and add reviewer notes so testers and Apple understand feature behavior and known limitations. You finalize the submission by confirming the App Store listing, uploading final screenshots for each device, selecting categories, and reviewing the app privacy and compliance answers. Then submit the build for review and monitor its status in the Activity tab. Make sure to respond promptly if Apple requests information. If review fails, inspect crash logs and diagnostics, fix code or metadata issues, and resubmit with a concise explanation of changes. One tip: attach crash logs or steps to reproduce in your reply to speed approval.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.